Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can create an account on Trust Wallet. So to start creating your account, first download the Trust Wallet official app on your App Store or Play Store. Once the installation is complete, open the Trust Wallet app. On the welcome screen, tap on Get Started. Then here, tap on Create a new wallet. Then create a passcode for your Trust Wallet. Confirm your passcode by typing it down again. Next, tap Create beside the secret phrase. Then Trust Wallet will prompt you to back up your wallet. It's either manually or you can back it up to iCloud. Now tap on all checkboxes. Then tap Continue below to reveal the secret phrases. This is crucial for the security of your funds. You will receive a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this phrase down and keep it in a safe place. This phrase is essential for recovering your wallet if you lose access to your device. After backing it up, you will need to confirm your recovery phrase. Follow the prompts to select words in the correct order, then tap Confirm below. You may also be prompted to set a secure password for additional security, depending on your device's settings. Once the setup is complete, you will be taken to your wallet dashboard, where you can see your wallet address and start managing your cryptocurrencies. Take some time to explore the app. You can receive, send, and swap cryptocurrencies and access decentralized applications or DApps directly from the wallet. Important tip: always ensure your recovery phrase is backed up and stored securely. This is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose your device. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.